LED TV. It runs on 42 watts. A TV normally that size is about 500 watts. So because I tend to talk about energy efficient things, I thought I'd bring it in on the TV. Okay, right, my name's Gordon Betts, and I'm going to show you some of what I do by the art of pictures and a small explanation. Right, energy efficiency lighting. This is a picture of, oh that's a class word. This is a picture of the Sloan Group in which we changed 400 8-foot light fittings, which are old and inefficient, for 400 6-foot light fittings. As you can see, the lighting here is much better. It's all directed down towards the floor, which is where you want it, and not on the ceilings. All up here is just a reflection from the walls and floors. But this is a picture of what it looked like before. So this is another area, and that's the darkness of which this whole factory was in before we done this. The savings they'll make on this factory is, on a 2,000 hour year, which is only 40 hours a week, is £8,000 a year. They do about 80 hours a week, so that's £16,000. So they're going to get they've got their money back instantly by doing this. As you can see, much lighter. The fittings have these type of fittings have a 5-year warranty on their control gear and a 20,000 hour life expectancy on the tubes. This is anything up to 10 years. This is a real crap photo of Whitworth's. This is their fruit operations area, and what there is here is loads and loads of machinery, and they bring in the fruit from another country in a box, big box. They unpack it, they stick it in a machine to wash it. They stick it in these separating machines, which separates into little packets. It comes out on this conveyor through other different machines, detecting for metal and so on like that. And then these people pack it in boxes, and it goes out and they sell it in small packets, big boxes to small packets. That's how they work there. The machines are all programmed and synchronised together, so that if there's ever a fault that occurs between one of the machines, i.e. foreign bodies are detected within the packets, metal work or something, not the operators, or if it's overweight, if the packet is overweight, it rejects it and it says there's a problem with the system, and so they have to go back and check out what it is. This is the sort of thing that we usually get called in to sort out for them. An interesting fact for you: by washing the fruit before they pack it, adds 30% to that weight. So you got more water, less fruit. This is a very popular printing factory based in Edinburgh called DATS. Mark, you're familiar with it. What we've done here is we reduced his lighting usage. Basically, he had 65 fittings, all rubbish and old. And throughout his factory, well, not throughout his factory, but in most of his factory, we reduced that down to about 20, I think. And as you can see, he's still got plenty of light around the area. Only a few light fittings, whereas through here you can see he's got loads and loads of light fittings to achieve a yellow light, whereas this is a nice bright white light. So much better in order to work with him. This should hopefully save around about £600 a year. And also by saving this amount on your lighting, then you're also reducing your CO2 as well, so that's also a good thing. I thought I'd show you one of his impressive Heidelberg printing machines. This is his 5-colour machine, pretty much one of the best around that there is out there, which explains the quality that you get from him. Again, another picture of his Heidelberg. This is an extraction unit. This is in Sloan Group. It's a dust extraction unit. It's about 100 amps, 3 phases, which is the equivalent of about 5 or 6 houses running. Basically, all the machines inside, they churn up all the wood and everything, create loads of dust, and it needs extracting away. Otherwise, people will suffocate and die. So, this is the sort of machine that they would extract from. This is something that Derek will be familiar with. It's a beam saw. They're CNC controlled, and we'll do it for 6 minutes. You can program these types of machines. They cut all shapes and sizes that you want. Derek, wherever you want. There you are. So, he's got one very similar to this in his factory. Let's see. as you can see, this has got its own extraction unit as it happens, which is very good because I've got to move this machine somewhere else in the other part of the factory next week. There's a view from the angles of it. Outside lighting. When it gets dark and cold, they ask you to come and do the outside lighting. This is a picture of car park lighting or amenity lighting, but we usually find them on the sides of buildings, car parks, under canopies. The purpose for these is so you can see, believe it or not. You want to see when you're working outside, to light up the walkways and lighten the car parks, health and safety issue. This is the light underneath the canopy. Underneath this canopy there'll be all loads of stock at Whitworths where the forklifts work day and night, loading and unloading lorries. To get them this high we use a scissor lift, of which we are fully educated in. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll go back to that. We had to do this for one reason, and on this occasion, and it was for Elfingdale Cricket Club, because they was using their car park for the fireworks night.
That's right.
So was there any accidents?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Excellent. To do the load of the lorries, they use forklifts. This is a battery charging station, in which we install all the power. It's not a great picture of what we do, but these are the size of the batteries. These are all the chargers. They pretty much operate all day long. When this battery is charged, they go and swap it with one that's not charged, and so they use a hell of a lot of power in doing this. It's not complicated, but it is heavy duty, sort of work that we enjoy doing. Right, here's a few pictures of installation work I've come across, which is quite bewildering, and should you use my services, I won't do anything like this. This is an 8-foot light fitting. This actually had a tube balanced in there, trying to work. And they called me in because it wouldn't work. This is a socket. I think I showed you this a few weeks ago. This is a socket in a fireplace. An ideal situation for it. And this is a doorway that they used to use, quite okay, until they decided to put some cabling across the front of it and house it in some cable management system. Now the door won't open. This is the fuse board. Ideal location on the ceiling. This is all just recent as well. This is a fuse board with no cover on it. All these live bars here. So a nice little trip in there, pretty handy.
Richard is twitching.
That's not fine.
This is voluminous. He went too close to 33,000 volts. At the top of Dajon playing field. This is all these kids here. They can't drink, they're not old enough to drink, but they haven't got six-packs and sat there watching. Watching these people in their shivering rags. They couldn't move in case they blew up, really. They all survived, unbelievably. This is a joint, 18 foot of snow in 3 weeks. Imagine that in this country. I just thought I'd throw that in there. This is also me, housewife's choice in Russia. We repair and sales of all domestic appliances, of washing machines, tumble dryers, dishwashers, fridges, freezers, cookers and vacuum cleaners. We repair all makes of domestic appliances with a huge range of spares in stock. We offer free delivery, installation and recycling of our old appliances. I've owned this shop for about 10 years now, and Derek done this time work then. And look how good it still looks. So you get what you pay for. We're now part of Euronics, which provides us with an access to a larger stock of appliances and material. And if we don't keep it in stock, it's only a couple of days away. Sorry that I've done that. When we first took over Housewife's Choice, there was 4 main competitors in our street. There are now none. There's only us left. Argos have moved in, but they still can't compete with us on cost and service. When you add it all up, we are on 90% of our items cheaper. Basically, we just concentrated on customer service and satisfaction. These are a few of our machines. These are tumble dryers. The last ones are cookers. These are tumble dryers. Washing machine. This is a great washing machine. If you're looking to buy a washing machine, 8 kilograms, but you don't have to fill it up that much. But whatever you fill it up, it'll only put that amount of water in. So you're not using massive amounts of water for a tiny little wash. So it's a fantastic machine, that is. Fridges and freezers. Vacuum cleaners. We also supply the rug doctor for rental, so if you've got hard stains and stuff, rug doctor. Vacuum cleaner bags, hoses, oven elements, all accessories that you need. We stock everything. If we haven't got it, it's next day. Recondition machines. This is the tumble dryer that we've got at the moment, a recondition machine. All our recondition machines come with 3 months warranty. That's a blank page. This is a washer dryer, but we do washing machines as well and cookers. And when the washing machine is totally knackered, we take the drum out and you can use it as a log burner. There might be some health and safety issues. Okay, that's it. Go on, let's.
Both done.
I've done that.